Together we can see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. Fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character is real. The darkness is a harsh unknown exactly how this first thing works. It's not that long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive when the restart. Darkness is a constant, don't you think? But you've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor right with which to take this soul rightfully mine.